everyone, welcome back. Today I'm making delicious shrimp tacos with a yummy sauce. You're going to need lettuce, limes, garlic powder, cumin, garlic, salt and pepper, cilantro, cotija cheese. I've got soft taco shells and hard taco shells, shrimp, sour cream, mayonnaise, olive oil, avocado, and onion. The first step we're going to do is prepare the shrimp. I have large shrimp in this bowl. They've been peeled and deveined and wiped dry. I'm going to put my garlic in my press and add that with my nifty tool. Then I have salt and pepper and cumin in this bowl. I'm going to add these. I'm going to stir everything up, because the next thing we're going to do is take it to the stove and cook the shrimp. So you have a pound of these. My package was a little more than a pound, but that's fine. More to enjoy. All right, I'm putting my shrimp in a hot pan with olive oil. You ready? There we go. That's the sizzle we want to hear. So watch them closely. Don't walk away. Don't make the mistakes I've made. The shrimp is done cooking. Now I'm going to put it on my platter to sit and wait for all the other ingredients. They look beautiful. We want to make our yummy sauce, but we also have other ingredients we need to chop up. I have half of a Vidalia Sweet onion, which I'm going to chop finely. I'm going to use lettuce. I have an avocado that I need to chop up. Here's our shrimp resting. And cilantro. I'm also going to chop that up. My onion is chopped, and I'm going to add it to this platter. And next I'm going to cut the avocado. Okay, here's our avocado. I'm going to go all the way around the outside. Slice, I think I'll use a knife, a smaller knife. And I'm going to slice it. Let's see if I can get this out. Yes, it worked. Right, I'm going to take my knife, go around the outside so I can release the slices and add those to the platter. Oh my gosh, it looks so good already. I love avocado. Okay, I'll do that on the other side also. There we go. Nice. That looks good. Next we have cilantro, which I've already washed. So I'm going to grab a big bunch of that. Now if you don't like cilantro, you can replace it with parsley. I know not everybody likes cilantro. Oh my gosh, smell that, Mark? Go. I love cilantro. Okay. We'll add that on our platter. Now this recipe will serve about 4 to 6. And I have lettuce. So I'm going to use my scissors and chop that up into smaller pieces, like shreds. All right, and while I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and cut up one lime. We can use that to squeeze it over your taco. But there is going to be lime in our yummy sauce. Now it's time to make our yummy sauce. So I have sour cream and mayonnaise. I'm going to squeeze in some lime juice. Here we go, lime juice. Yum. I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit more. There we go. Oh, that looks good. And our garlic powder. I'm going to use my whisk and whisk it all together. That is all combined. And I'm going to put it in this neat squirt bottle. Okay. See if I can do this. Oh, that's going to be great. That's perfect. Put our lid back on. Now, the taco shells. I have 2 soft tortillas, and what I'm going to do is warm them in the microwave. I could do it on the stove. That's another option. We don't have gas, so I can't do it on a gas burner. So about 20 to 30 seconds in the microwave, and then we're going to be ready to eat. Okay, well, that's in the microwave. I need to add my cheese, Cotija cheese. So I would normally get it in a block and shred it myself, but this was all I could find. So that's what I'm going to use. It's kind of like a Parmesan cheese. It's mild. I'm going to add that. I think I'm going to put it right there. All right, so of course you have options, Sauté. I'm going to try those. I've tried some of the other products and I really like them a lot. So these are hard taco shells. And it says they are gluten-free, dairy-free, grain-free, and soy-free. I'm going to remove our paper towels. Oh, they're nice and warm. So it did about 25 seconds.
This calls for a cold beer to accompany this deliciousness.
Okay. So where to start? Maybe the shrimp on the bottom. Okay. What do you think?
Looks good.
Okay. Now maybe the onions. I'll go for avocado slices.
For me too.
Uh-huh, absolutely.
I feel helpless. There's only one utensil here.
Some shredded lettuce. And Mark's going to need to take a picture of this before we eat.
Oh, I do need to. Where's your phone?
In the other room.
YouTube in the making.
Mm-hmm. There we go, cilantro.
The all-important thumbnail.
Wait, we're not done yet. All right, Cotija cheese.
Yes.
And if you want a lime or you want to squeeze a lime.
A little lime, yes. You want some lime?
No. There's enough in the sauce for me.
Put that right in that beer.
Okay.
Now we'll picture right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I think we're good.
Let's do it. Cover me, I'm going in. I might have overfilled them a little bit. Try not to make a big mess. Mmm. Wow.
You've outdone yourself.
Oh man, that's really good. And to think Mark didn't used to like shrimp until he met me.
Very true. No seafood.
Yep.
One of those first date stories for another video.
Oh my gosh. Well, I want to say thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Gotta make this one. It's definitely a winner. And we're going to see you in the next video. Bye.
That sauce is magical.
It is.
Sabroso.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm making sorry.
Talk with your hands.
Talk with your hands. I don't know what to do with my hands.
Play with your hands like magic.
Woo! Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm making. That was bad.
You went from looking down here. Hi everyone, welcome back.
Maybe that's a good thing. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm making delicious shrimp tacos. You're gonna need lettuce, garlic powder, cumin, salt and pepper, lime. Oh man.
Okay, I'm gonna start you over.
Yeah.
Delete that.